KV student, do you have test in this week, mathematics test in school?
Yes, sir.
When?
Sir, 10th August.
10th August.
Yes, sir.
And which all chapters?
Sir, rational numbers and polygons.
Rational number and
Linear equation.
linear equation. These two chapters. Okay. So any doubt in you all guys have? Anyone have? We have done the revision also, na, for these two chapters, rational numbers and linear equation.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 10th is which date? Monday. Monday, na? 10th is Monday.
Yes, sir.
Monday.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So have you done these questions? Good
Sir, I have doubt.
No, doubt, so I'll take it up. First, my question is, all of you have attempted these questions, 14.1, which I sent?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So, can you let me know your doubts?
So, second question.
Second,
Sir, 11th.
11th, and
Sir,
11th, all
Part-
questions are
No,
there?
no, the second one.
Second one, 11th, second one. Okay. Then
question number 5, 8, and 10.
5, 8, and 10.
The question number 7.
Question number 7.
So question number 10.
Then I've already written. Anything else?
So third.
Acha, third.
Sir, 9th.
Huh?
9th.
Question number
9th.
9.
9th.
Acha, 9th. So one is left out. 2, 3.
Sixth.
Acha, 6th also. Anything else? So one is left out. 2, 3, 4 left out. 5,
Question
6,
number 9.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So these two also I'll solve it. Don't worry. So second question is, the length and the breadth of a rectangular field is in the ratio of 5:3. Length and breadth of a rectangular field is in the ratio of 5:3. So we can write it 5x as 3x. If the cost of reaping the field at 80 paisa per square meter. Second question, who has asked me?
So, me.
Ojashwini. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So rate is 85 paisa, means 0.85 rupees per meter square. And total cost is 624.75. So find the cost of fencing it at the rate of rupees 4 per meter square. So what is the area, Ojashwini? Length and breadth is given as 5x and 3x. 5:3 ratio. Rate is given.
15x.
What 15x? Area is
So,
15x.
area is length into breadth.
Area is 15x equals to what in value, in numbers? What is the area? I told you on that day, area, total area is equals to rate by total cost by rate.
Yes, sir.
Just show me where you have written on the notebook quickly. You are not on, Jashwini. Ojashwini,
Yes, sir.
I asked you open your camera and show me where you had written this.
So, 1 second, I'll get the notebook.
All the notebooks should be with you. I can ask any one of you to show me. Ojashwini? So total area will be what? 624.75 and the rate is 85 paise. So 0.85 rupees. What you are getting? Anyone who has done this?
Sir, I've done it.
Yeah, tell me the value.
So the value is 735 meters square.
735 meter square. So length into weight is 15x. 15x is equals to 735 meters square. So x is equals to 735 by 15. What is the value of x? 61 dam 49. X is equal to 49. This is what you are getting.
Sir, x square is equal to 49.
Sorry, x square. Sorry, x square. X square is equals to 49. So x is equals to 7 you are getting.
Yes.
So this is 35 and this is 21. So perimeter will be what? 2 into 35 plus 21. 2 into 56. 112. This is the answer? Is this the answer?
Yes, sir.
Ojashwini, have you come
Yes,
with
sir.
your notebook or still you are searching? Ojashwini?
Sir, I've got it.
No, you just open your camera. Now
Sir.
show me your notebook.
So here.
Just wait. Just tilt it up. The formula, where is the formula you have written? That's what I'm asking.
So here.
Where? Okay, show me now. Tilt it up. Area is equals to, where it is written? I can't see.
So area is equal to 1 by 2 into 2.
No, I'm not asking that. I'm asking this formula. Last time I wrote it and I did many questions on this. I'm asking this formula. Total area to find area, total cost divided by rate. This I mentioned it in the last class. That is where you have written. That's why I want to see. Have
So
you
that,
written? You have not
so
written.
that is not there.
That is not there means you have not written. You tell me ki I have not written.
I have not written.
And why? If you would have written it, you would have done this. This question, same question, multiple question we did in last class. And if you will have doubt, then so it is difficult. Then that means that class was of no use for you then. Anyway, next time you write it, okay?
Yes.
So next question is third. Okay. Find the area. Third, who has asked this question?
So
Please.
myself.
Okay. Switch on your camera. Be ready with your notebook.
So I didn't do this question. I didn't understand what is a rectangular plot.
You don't know what is rectangular plot? Monita?
Yes, sir, I don't know.
You don't know what is rectangular plot? What is plot?
Sir, I don't know.
Rectangular plot means rectangular field, plot, whatever you say, it's same. Rectangular field, rectangular space, rectangular plot. Plot means area.
Okay, sir, then I'll solve this question.
Find the area of a rectangular plot whose length is 48 meter and diagonal is 50 meter. How you can solve? What you will do? Monita, here you see and tell me. You don't have to calculate. Just tell me what you will do. A rectangular plot of length 48 meter and diagonal 50 meter. Find the area of this rectangular plot. How you will do? Rectangular plot means this is 90 degrees. This is a right angle triangle. So x, can you find x is equals to 50 square minus 48 square? So x is equals to what? 2 5. Acha, we can write 50 plus 48 into 50 minus 48. 98 into 2. 98 into 2, 8 is 16, 19, 90, 196. So x is equals to 14. Correct? X is equals to 14 means this one is 14. Can you find the area? Now can you find the area when length is given and breadth you have found it?
Yes.
Correct? Okay. Understood or not? Or any doubt?
So I understood.
Understood. Okay. Now fifth question. The area of a square. Whose question is this? Who has asked me? Tanishi.
Yes, sir.
The area of a square is 16 meter square. Area of a square. This is fifth question. Area of a square is 16. Meter square. Find the area of square joining the midpoint of its sides. So midpoint of the sides are? You have to find the area of this. What is if the area of a square is 16, what will be the side of that square? Measurement of the
4
side?
centimeters.
16 divided by 4.
So it is 4, correct?
Yeah.
Now this is a midpoint. It's given in the question. So this and this will be what?
Triangle. Yeah.
So
So the measures will be 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter.
exactly, because midpoint is just given midpoint. This is 4 and this is a midpoint. So this distance will be 2. Similarly, this will be 2 and this will be?
So by Pythagoras
If I say
theorem.
A, B, C, D. So AD square is equals to 2 square plus 2 square.
Yes.
So AD is equals to under root 4 plus 4 under root 8 or 2 under root 2. Correct?
Yes.
This measured is 2 under root 2. And they said this is also a square, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So this will be again 2 under root 2, 2 under root 2, 2 under root 2. So what will be the area of ABCD is equals to side square, that is 2 under root 2 square. So 2 into 2, 4 into under root 2 under 2, 2, 8 meters square.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Okay, sir.
No, it's not clear.
So the under root thing I didn't understand.
Okay. Exponent you have studied, na? Oh, okay. So can you write this 2 into under root 2 into 2 into under root 2? Can you write like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this into this 4 into
Yes.
under root 2 into under root 2.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Till this point, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now under root 2, can you write 1 by 2? Do you know this?
No, sir.
Okay, everyone please pay attention here. This is important thing. which will ease out your problem. This means under root n of a is equals to a to the power 1 by n. If I write under root 2, that means 2 1 by 2. If I write cube root of 2, it means 2 by 1 by 3. If I write fourth root of 2, it means 2 to the power 1 by 4, and so on. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and so on. So we can write under root 2 as 2 to the power 1 by 2. And you know, when we multiply 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 2 to the power 1 by 2, what will be the value?
4.
How?
2 to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2.
Plus 1 by 2, which is equals to 2 to the power 1 is equal to 1, 2.
Yes, sir.
Correct? You know this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here 4 into 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 2 to the power 1 by 2, 4 into 2 is equals to 8. Now what we conclude, under root 2 into under root 2 will be 2. Under root 3 into under root 3 will be 3. Under root 4 into under root 4 will be 4, and so on. Any root 2, under root 2 with the same number, when you multiply, it is same number, 2, 3, 4, like that. But you cannot say under root 2 into cube root of 2 is 2. No, cube root of 2, it will not be 2. Only thing is when root is multiplied by the same, then the value is this only. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Sir,
so did you get it? This
sir,
one?
Yes,
sir,
sir.
is it same
In-
for cube root also?
If we say cube root this into cube root this, you can find it. 3 1 by 3 into 3 1 by 3. 3 to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 equals to 3 to the power 3 and 1 plus 1. So what it is coming? 3 to the power 2 by 3. So it is not equal.
Sir, this
Huh.
we can find out using Pythagoras theorem also, right?
Pythagoras theorem. Which one? This one.
Yes, sir.
So this to we found now through Pythagoras theorem. You only said this is 2, this is 2. So through Pythagoras theorem, this is 2 under root 2. Any problem in understanding this question to anyone? Please ask me. I will do it again.
So, like how you wrote 4 into under root 2 into under root 2, can we first multiply the under roots and then get the square root of it and then multiply?
Anything you can do. You can do 4 under root 2 into under root 2 is what? 2,
Yes.
8. Or
Okay.
you can do like this also. Anything. You multiplication. This 2 into under root 2 is 2 into under root 2 into 2 into under root 2. Again under root 2 under root 2, 2, 2 to the 4, 4 under 2 to the 4, and this 2. Anything you multiply, any form may you multiply it, the answer will come same.
Okay. So,
Okay, understood everyone? This is 2, this is 2, this is 2 under root 2 through Pythagoras theorem. This is a square, so all four sides are equal. So we multiply 2 under root 2 into 2 under root 2. And under root 2 into under root 2, we know it is 2. So 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 answer. Clear?
Sir, I am not clear. I don't
Which
get it.
part?
Sir, the whole, that side part.
This 2, how it came, you know?
Yes, sir.
Now AD square is equals to? AD square is equals to?
This 2 square plus 2 square.
2 square plus 2 square. So AD square is equals to 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. So
Yes,
AD is equals to under root 8.
Yes,
Did
sir.
you get this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll write it under root 8. All four sides will be like that?
Yes, sir.
So what is the area of ABCD? Under root 8 square.
Yes, sir.
Under root 8 into under root 8.
Yes, sir.
8. Now did you understand?
Yes, sir.
I just now explained how under root 8 into under root 8
Yes,
will
sir.
be 8.
That I got. Yeah.
So now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sixth question. The base of a, whose question is this? Who has asked me this question? Eighth question, no one has asked me. Then why I'm solving? Seventh question, who has asked me seventh question?
Sami.
Okay, Chetna. A tile is in the shape of a parallelogram. So eighth question, a tile is in the shape of a parallelogram. A tile is in the shape of a parallelogram of base 5 centimeter and the corresponding height equals to 3 centimeter. Corresponding height, so is 3 centimeter. Calculate the number of tiles required to cover an area of 45 meters square. Total area you have to cover 45 meter square. And one tile is in the form of a shape. What is the area of a tile? What is the area of a parallelogram, Chetna?
Sir, breadth into height. I mean base into height.
So 5 into 3, 15 centimeter square. Correct? Now this is in meter, this is in centimeter. So we'll convert this into meter. What we will do, Chetna? Chetna, to convert this into meter square, what we will do? Chetna, I'm asking you.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what we will do to convert centimeter square into meter square. What we will do? You don't
Sir,
know?
into 10,000.
Into 10,000. Wrong. So you don't remember that table which I told you to learn and come.
Into 100.
When? Yes, Kanchi, tell me. Yeah, Pragya, tell me.
Into 100.
Acha, into 100. Wrong. You also
Sir,
don't know.
Into 10, sir.
Sir, 100 into 100.
Acha.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 by 10,000.
Matlab, Tanishi, you also don't know. Now, yes, who told me?
Sami, Surya.
Surya. Yes, Surya, what I have to do?
Sir, into 1 by 10,000. Because
Into 1 by 10,000. Because
while making meter to centimeter, we multiply by 10,000.
for making
Sir, I was doing the other
now,
bit.
wait. I told centimeter to meter, smaller to bigger. If you are going, you have to divide, and from bigger to smaller, if you will come, you will have to multiply. This is what I told. 0.0015 meter square. Can we write like this? Can we write like this or not?
Yes, sir, we can.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So one tile area you know, total area no. Number of tiles required? $45. Total area divided by one area, correct? Tens, 100,000. Is it 30,000?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So to find number of tiles, total area, what area you have to cover? 45 meters square. one tiles covers how much area? This much area. So number of tiles required, total area divided by area of one tile. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes.
okay, sir, nothing.
Yes, Monita, tell me.
No, sir, I got it.
Now, sixth question. Whose question is this? Sixth question. Who has asked me? Nobody. Then why you am doing it?
So, 6 questions someone asked, but even I also didn't get it.
Hatha, you tell me. This is your. You have not got it.
No, sir, didn't get it.
The base of a triangular field is twice its altitude. Triangular field. Base of a triangular field is twice its altitude. Altitude is this one. This is x, and this will be 2x.
Yes, sir.
The base of a triangle field is twice its altitude. If the cost of leveling the field at the rate is given as rupees 10 per meter square, and total cost is 4,000. Find the base and the altitude. Yes, Ojashwini, you have done this question, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me how to do.
So what's the question number?
Question number 6.
Okay, so area is equal to 1/2 into base into height.
So area is equals to 1/2 into base into height. So that is x square, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
So 1/2 in, so the base is 2h.
Huh, that I didn't.
Okay. So 1/2 into 2h into h is equal to 1/2 into 2h square, which is equal to h square.
Yes.
So 10 into h square is equal to 4,000.
10 into x square is equals to 4,000.
Yeah.
So
So
x
h
is
square,
equals to
4,000 by 10.
x is equals to 200. So 2 into 200 is equals to 400, and this is 200.
Yes, sir.
Sanjit. Sanjit,
Yes, sir.
very clearly tell me how she has written this. How she has made this equation. You know or you don't know? I'll move ahead.
I don't know.
Aryan, you tell me. Aryan.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
So, like, for like she divided 4,000 with 10 meters square.
Why?
So for finding the area, then she like.
So what is the area formula? Find area when the cost and rate is given.
It's a total cost divided by rate.
Okay, total cost divided by rate. So 400 meters square. This is the area, correct? Correct.
Yes, sir.
And
yes, sir.
area here with base and height 1/2 2x into x. So x square. So x square is equals to 400 and x is equals to 200. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, if x square is equal to 400, then x will be 20, right?
Sorry. 20. X is 20. Understood, everyone? This type of question, did you understand it on a when rate and total cost is given, how to find the area?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
To divide.
So 9th question. A steel wire when bent to form a square. A steel wire when bent to form a square encloses an area of 484. A steel wire, there is a steel wire, and then we started bending it to form a square which encloses an area of, so this area is 484 centimeter square. If the same wire is bent to form a circle, if I bend this same wire to form a circle, find the area of the circle. You have to find area of this. So what is common between these two? What is
Perimeter.
perimeter? Very good. So if we say this square of side S x, so this will be x, this will be x, this will be x. So 4x is the perimeter, correct?
Yes, sir.
And if I want to find the side, so side will be x square
Square root
equals to 484.
22 centimeters.
So x is equals to what? 484. Square root of 484 is
22.
22. Area is given 484 and it's a square. So I considered let side be x. So area is x square equals to 484. So x is equals to 22. 22. This is 22. This is 22 and this is 22. What is the perimeter of the square?
22 into 4.
So 22 into 4 is
88.
88. Okay. So perimeter of square and perimeter of circle is same. What is the circumference of a circle?
2 pi r.
2 pi r.
Pi r equals 88.
2 pi r equals to 88.
88.
Pi r is equals to 44. R is equals to, so this is pi is 22 by 7 into r is equals to 44. So r is equals to 7 into 44 by 22 to r is equals to 14.
14.
So what is the question? When you find the area of the circle. So area will be what? Area of the circle
Pi
is
r
Pi r
Pi r
square.
pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7 into 14 into 14.
616.
So 44 into 14, what is the value?
616.
616
616.
centimeter square.
Is it clear? Or it's
Yes.
not clear?
Sir, I didn't get the
Yeah, so
You didn't get what?
circumference of the circle.
What is the area, circumference of a circle? Formula
2 pi r.
2 pi r. And perimeter of this and the circumference is same because they are made up of the same steel wire. Yes, no, Sanjay, tell me.
Yes, sir.
So perimeter we have got 88. So circumference is 2 pi r is equals to 88.
Yes, sir.
So r you can find it this way, 14.
Sir, understood.
Okay. Tenth question. Whose question
Sir,
is
the 8th question.
8th question? So I asked, no, nobody replied.
Sir, that time you asked 6th question, sir. Not
No,
8th.
before that I asked 8th question. I was asking who has asked me 8th question. Nobody replied me back. So whose question is this? Is it your question, Tanishi?
Yes, sir.
You did not reply me. 8th question is
Happened to me.
adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 36 and 27 in length. Parallelogram. Adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 36 centimeter and 27 centimeter. If the perpendicular distance between the shorter side is 12, which one is shorter side?
So 27 centimeters.
So perpendicular distance will be this one.
Yes, sir.
If the perpendicular distance between the shorter side is 12 centimeter, this is 12 centimeter. Find the distance between the longer side, x centimeter. So what is the area of a parallelogram?
Base into
Yeah, base into length.
Base is what? 36. Height is what? X. Correct?
yes, sir.
Now we turn this parallelogram. This is base and this is height. This is 27 base and 12 height. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these two are equal or not, Dia? Dia,
Sir?
now tell me what to do. Tell me, Dia.
So what is that area of?
Area of parallelogram. You have to find x. When we area of a parallelogram, this is base, this is height, and when we consider this as base, so this will be as height, but the area of parallelogram remains same. So can we write 36 into x is equals to 27 into 12?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
27 into 12 by 36. X is equals to 9. So this is 9 centimeter. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Tanishi, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now 10th question. Whose
So
question
once
is this?
Mine.
Sir, I didn't understand.
The total area of two equal circles in the figure is 308. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. Who has done this question?
So me.
Ojashwini one.
So which question?
10th question. One only Ojashwini has done. None of you have done? Amitabh?
Yes, sir.
Didn't do this question?
Sir, I didn't understand the last, like I have done half, but then I was stuck in the middle.
Okay. Done this, you have written? Should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The total area of two equal circles. These two are an equal circle. So if I say circle 1 and circle 2. So area of C1 plus area of C2 is equals to 308 centimeter square. Okay. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. So radius will be R1 and this will be R1 because both are equal circle.
Yes, sir.
And this is R1 and this is R1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So area of C1 is what? Pi R1 square plus pi R1 square 308 or 2 pi R1 square is equals to 308 or 22 by 7 into R1 square is equals to 308 means 154 or R1 square is equals to 154 into 7 by 22. So 211, 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14, 11, 7. So R1 square is equals to 49 and R1 is equals to 7. Did you get it?
So 2 pi r square.
Pi R1 square plus pi R1 square will be what?
Yes.
Did you get it? Anyone
Yes.
has doubt till here? This is also R1 and this is also R1. So this is what? 4R1. This is what? 2R1. R1 you have got 4 into 7, 28. 2 into 7, 14. Now did you get it? Find the area of two equal radii. The total area of the two equal radiuses is find the perimeter of the rectangle. Can you find the perimeter of the rectangle now? Oh, Jashuni, you did this way?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has doubt? Amitabh, Tanishi, you asked me this question.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. I got it.
Please write it, then I'll do the last question. Done? Anyone still writing? Second question. This is 8. This is 6. Find the circumference and the area of each of the figure. So if this is 8, this is 6. Can you find through Pythagoras theorem this one, AB? AB square is equals to 8 square plus 6 square. So AB is equals to 10. This will be 10. Correct? Now this is 8 diameter. Radius is, for this radius is 4. So semicircle, circumference of a semicircle is
1
half,
by 2
half into 2 pi r.
So circumference of C1 is pi r 22 by 7 into 4, 88 by 7, We can write like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now similarly, this radius is 3. So of C2 will be pi r 22/7 into 3. So 66/7. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Radius of this is 5. So this is C3. Of C3 will be pi r 22/7 into 5. 10. Third one, add all this. C1 plus C2 plus C3, 88/7 plus 66/7 plus 110/7.
Sir,
Yes.
they have written that we have to use pi 3.14.
Okay, so you multiply, Monita, multiply 3.14 into 4. What is the value?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Multiply and tell me. Here also. These 3 you multiply and tell me. One. Yes, Monita.
So the first one is 12.56.
12.5. Second one.
So the second one, which one I have to do?
3.14 into 3.
Sir, I got it. 9.42.
1 minute.
Sir, the first one should be 12.56.
For 2 decimal you have to give. Second one is, what is the value?
9.42.
Huh?
9.42.
And third one?
15.70.
Yes.
15.70. Here, if we get 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21, 5, 7 7s are 49.7. 4s are. So what is the sum of these 3? What sum you are getting?
47.68.
37 point?
37.68.
Got it? Did you get it? How to find this circumference? Again, it was your question.
Yes, sir.
And can you find the area same way? Pi r square, pi r square, pi square, pi r square. Radius you already know.
Yeah, okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So 14.1, any other doubt anyone has in this chapter, in this exercise?
The fourth question.
That's what I said. So why you are
So-
leaving first also? That also I will do. 3-meter wide path runs along the inside a square park of side 125 meter. Find the cost of constructing it. Others you got, Dia? Please write everyone. Other questions you got, Dia?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once you have written, just let me know. I'll rub the board.
So I just wanted to confirm for the 11th main first question answer. So I just wanted to confirm if my answer is right.
That did you check it from the back?
So I don't have the textbook.
Okay, 14.1. Wait. What is your answer?
Sir, I got as 31.
31? No, it's not the right answer.
Okay, sir, I'll check
An
again.
area?
So I just found the perimeter. So I'll do it again.
Okay. Done? Should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
A 3-meter wide path runs along the inside of a square park. Square park. Side is 125. This is 3 meter. Of 125. Find the cost of constructing it at the rupees 4.5 per meter square. Yes, Dia, come online. What is rate given? Rate, what is the rate given? Dia.
So 4.50 rupees 4.50 per square meter.
Square meter. Okay. Find the cost of constructing it. So, what will be the dimension of inner inner square? What will the distance of this one? Tell me. Dia, come fast.
So
If this is 125, this is 3, this is 3, what will be this value? You will not get it in your notebook. Why you are turning your page? This is 125 minus 3 minus 3. So this is 125 minus 6. This is 119. Last class may we have done same thing. Now this one is 125 3 3. What will be this? 119.
yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is the question, Dia? What we will do? Find the
cost of constructing.
What we have to construct?
Square meter.
What we have to construct?
Cost, sir.
Cost we have to construct. Read the question. Read the question loud. Yeah.
A 3-meter wide path runs along the inside of a square park of side 125 meter. Find the cost of constructing it at rupees 4.50 per square meter.
Yes. What we have to construct?
It's a park of side.
Come again?
Park of side inside a square of park.
Inside the square of park. I didn't get it.
So the wide path.
White path. So tell me here in the figure what we have to construct. What we have to construct. Which area you have to find? for construction?
Oh wow, the white part, a 3-meter white part, sir.
So this one, inside this one, we have to find the area, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You have not understood the question. This you have to find. This is the path. You have constructed this path. You have to find the area of this one. Sanjit. Sanjit.
Yes, sir.
Tell me how to find the area of this shaded region.
So first I should add 125 plus 3
125 plus 3.
plus 3. I mean plus 6. So 131. So then for that also
Mohit,
130.
leave it, Sanjit. Mohit,
Yes, sir.
find how to find this area of the shaded region.
So 125 minus 3 minus 3.
Okay, so that is 119.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So 119 into 119 into 4.5 is equal to the total cost for the
My
region.
question is how to find the area of this shaded region.
So 119 into 119.
You'll get the area of this shaded region. 119 into 119.
What can I say?
No, I will nominate who has to tell. Kritik,
Yes, sir.
tell me how to find the area of the shaded region.
Sir, I didn't do this homework.
Okay. Then he is not there. Yeah, Varun. Vijay, can you tell me how to find the area of the shaded region?
Sure.
You know or you don't know? You tell me, don't waste time.
So don't know.
Varun?
Sir, you have to minus the outer rectangle and the inner rectangle's perimeter.
It's a square.
Area.
Area of? Yes, Varun.
Area of the inner square and the outer square.
What you have to subtract from what?
Area of the outer square minus the
Outer
inner
square
square.
minus area of the inner square. What is the area of the outer square?
125 into 125.
Very good. 125 into 125. Area of the inner square is 119 into 119. So can you tell me, have you done this and did you get it?
15625.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
15625. 130, 130.
So 15616.
No.
13 into
15625.
130.
Sir, I got this one.
15625. ठीक है. This one minus 119 into 119.
14161.
1416.
1.
ओके ठीक है आ रहे हैं अभी आइएगा ना
14161. লং করে না বৃত্ত বয়সে সুস্থ থাকা
Tanishi, can you please mute your mic? 14161, correct?
Yes, sir.
What is the value?
1464.
1464. So this is the area of the shaded region, correct? The pathway. You have got the area of the pathway. Now question is at what happened? The question is Find the cost of constructing it at rupees 4.5 per square meter. So rate is 4.5 per square meter, correct? Rate is given as 4.5 per square meter, and you have got the pathway area as 1464. So Varun, what we have to do total for total cost? What we have to do to find the total cost? What we'll have to do?
We have to multiply the area with the
Very
rate.
good. 1464 into 4.5. What is the value?
I'm not sure, sir.
6588.
6588. I have not done it, so this one. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So should we move ahead to the next exercise now? Acha, what happened to your exam? When is your exam?
So
Sir,
from
it is
August 10th only.
10th
It
only.
won't get postponed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So we'll do a few questions based on rhombus so that you can do something as homework. So rhombus, and we'll do trapezium. What is rhombus, Tanishi?
Sir, rhombus.
Tanishi?
Yes, sir.
Anyway, leave it. Ojashwini, can you tell me rhombus? What is rhombus?
So a rhombus is a square with with all the sides parallel to each other.
All the sides parallel to each other.
So
the opposite sides are parallel.
Opposite sides are parallel. Okay.
The diagonals bisect each other.
Okay.
And all the sides are of equal length.
Okay.
And
diagonal also bisect each other at right angle.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
and diagonals are not equal to each
equal.
other. Okay. So when we have to find the area of a rhombus, it is if diagonal is D1 and this is D2, so half into D1 into D2. This is the area of a rhombus. Okay. Derivation, I will let you know how this has come. Yes, Monita, tell me.
So but rhombus area is base into height.
Monita, just now my last statement was, I will tell you the derivation of this. And area of a parallelogram is base into height.
Okay.
Correct? And
yes.
Rhombus is also a parallelogram. So if you have this base and height, you can find the area of that as well. Okay?
Yes, sir.
An area of trapezium. What is trapezium, Monita?
So
Monita,
sir, in trapezium,
my mic, so you keep near your mouth and speak.
so one pair of opposite sides are parallel.
Okay, and
in a trapezium.
Okay, and
So like so opposite like
yes, I go ahead.
opposite sides are parallel, like AB is parallel to DC.
That to you said. What is isosceles trapezium? What is isosceles trapezium? Do you revise or not? I told you last class mein ki you have to revise those properties and come.
Yes, so like isosceles trapezium, in which like the non-parallel sides are equal.
Non-parallel sides are equal. And then what are the properties?
Sir, the interior angles on the same side are 180 degree. There are supplementary angles, and the diagonals are also equal.
Okay. So when we say area of a trapezium, it is half into sum of the parallel sides, that is AB plus CD into half of the sum of the parallel sides, that is AB plus CD into height. This is height. Okay. So as of now, just remember this formula. How to derive that I will tell you. Okay. So area of a rhombus is this one, and area of trapezium is this one. Please note it down quickly.
Done, sir.
So noted.
Okay.
So done.
So based on that, I will solve few questions. Okay. So question is, in a figure, length of diagonal AC and BD, I'll do it, A, B, C and D. Length of the diagonal AC and BD of a rhombus ABCD are 12 and 6. So this is 12 and this is 6. Find the area. So to find the area, what you have to do, half into 12 into 36, correct?
Yeah.
Meter square. Straight away based on the formula, correct?
Yes, sir.
Pour ink.
Yes, sir.
Now next question is, the area of a rhombus. The area of a rhombus is given as 36 meters square, and height is given 6 meter. Find the perimeter of the rhombus. Perimeter. Okay? So draw a figure, rhombus figure. Area is 36 meters square and height is given as 6 meters. So this is 6 meter and area is 36 meter. Find the perimeter. So to find the perimeter, it is 4 into side and you have to find the side, this side. Just now we discussed area of a rhombus is also half into base into height. Base is this one and height is 6. So 36 is equals to half into B. H is given 6. Can you find B? $12. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question is, if the area of a rhombus is 350 and one of the diagonal measure is 28, find the length of the other. So question is, here in this question, what is given? Area of rhombus is given. Area is 350 centimeter square. And one of the diagonal, that is D1, is given as 28 centimeter. Find D2. Can you find D2? Area is equals to half D1 into D2. So area is 350 half into 28 into D2. So D2 is what? 350 into 2 by 28. You can find? Clear? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please respond.
So it's
This three type
25.
of question clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Others. Okay. So next is question is, if each side of the rhombus ABCD is 17 centimeter and the length of the diagonal BD is 16 centimeter. So let's do it. Rhombus, they have said rhombus, okay. If each side of the rhombus ABCD is 17 centimeters, this is 17, 17, 17 and 17. And the length of the diagonal BD is 16 centimeter. Find the area of the rhombus. Tell me anyone. Area, how to find the area of this?
So, the diagonals of the
Your
rhombus
voice is
bisect.
not audible.
So the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles.
Okay.
So 1 by 2 into 16.
1 by
2 into 16.
So this will be, you're telling this will be 8 and this will be 8.
8.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And Pythagoras theorem.
AO square is equals to 7
So
square
O
minus square.
A square O.
17 square is? 17 square.
89. 289.
8 square is 64.
64.
So this will be 5.
225.
So this is 15. So AO is
15.
15. Correct?
Yes,
Then?
sir. Now we have to multiply 15 into 2 OA.
15 into 2.
Yes,
Achha,
sir.
to find
2 into
OC.
OA.
To find OC.
Sure.
Tell
So
me
to
more.
find AC.
OC, that is 15. So this is because this bisect. So now You know the area length of both the diagonal. D1 is what? 16 and D2 is what? 30.
Yes.
So area you can find half into 30 into 16. 240.
240.
Very good. Good, Monita. Did you get it? These 3-4 questions which we did.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt anyone has? Any doubt anyone has in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So I'll do one thing. I'll send the picture. Do all the question related to rhombus. Do all the question, the exercise which I'll send you, 14.2. Do all question related to rhombus, and we will have class tomorrow as well. Is it okay?
What time, sir?
Same time. It's 4:30.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anyone has any problem?
So will we also have the science class?
Oh, acha, science class you have. Na 4 to 5. We'll have class from 4 to 5. Then 5 to 6 you can have science.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. We'll have class 4 to 5 tomorrow, and then you can have your science class at 5 o'clock. I'm
Okay,
sending
sir.
the picture. Do only rhombus question. Trapezium question, I will discuss it tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.